I'm so proud of you. I'm proud that you keep showing up every single day. I'm proud of all the tough decisions you had to make, and that even though it was hard, you stood by your grounds. At least tried. I'm proud that you never gave up on yourself and kept fighting for everything you love. You wake up every day and find ways to smile and spread smiles. Past 3 years have been extremely learning for me. I have learned that when you find people who unconditionally take you as you are, hold on to them very tight. They are the ones who care about how you're really feeling, even when your words are stuck inside you. And you know what? Whenever you get the chance, be one of them too. I'm trying my best to spread love, joy, and happiness in whatever way I can. And I hope you all do your part too. Happy Mental Health Day to everyone and stay healthy, stay happy.
Yeah, I'm feeling a little weird because some things are happening and it's good thing, but I think I have a problem with change. So if something new happens, I don't know how to accept it, adapt to it. So I'm feeling a little weird feeling. I don't know what it is. It's not anxious, but it's just a very weird feeling. Do you have that feeling, Shweta?
Not really. I mean, it depends. Like, if it's a good change, then no. But if it's scary, then if it's something which I know that I won't be able to accept, then I do
I
get
think I
worried.
just have issue with change, like be it
Yeah.
good, bad, anything. I just
That depends. I mean, from person to person.
maybe that's why my doctor had asked me to have a schedule. Like, no, do not have surprises. Like, just have plan the entire day, and like not stress over it, but have small activity, but not because I think I just can't handle um,
Surprises.
any sort of not prepared information. Yeah, so maybe that's why she said.
Maybe.
So you tell me, if what do you feel like? Like, are you good with changes? എന്തെങ്കിലും പുതിയ കാര്യം സംഭവിക്കുന്നുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ are you like excited about it or you get nervous about it? I think subconsciously I think I always feel like something bad. Like even if something good is happening, it would, like, there are chances of ups and downs. So my heart always focuses on the downside. Maybe right now, the person that I am right now. You tell me, what do you feel like? How well are you adapting to changes? It's COVID time, so a lot of things are changing. It's no longer the way we used to handle things before. So tell me, how do you handle changes and how things have been? Bye.